I just want to make it known that I sent a voice note to Superintendent Williams speaking about these incidents happening in plain daylight along Rosemary Lane, Rum Lane, and the Prime Minister is down there in the constituency. A lot of police officers are down there, and this kind of thing is happening right there now. You know, I told them the incident took place down at Southside where they went down there. The MP and his security shoot up themselves down there and trying to say the PNP had anything to do with it. The police know what took place down there. There's footage to show what took place there. They did this in Almantown, and all of this is being allowed to happen in the constituency. It is clear that they want to instigate or start some kind of violence in the constituency because this can help them. It cannot help me. I don't need any violence. This is what took place in 2020, you know. This is what took place with the same JLP instigating this kind of thing. I'm asking my supporters to hold strength, to allow them to go through and do what they are doing. They have no strength in the area.
That don't food what I come down to. I want to feel like, cause we're not afraid of Uno. I'm going to tell you that. We're not afraid of Uno. So any blood clot I take down to take down. I'm going to tell you that.
You're not the yard. Your yard is your bottom. Your yard is your bottom. You're not the yard.
That's your fugado. Look for who kill your father and kill them.